In this video, I will show you how to import and export customer in a Shopify store. You can export a CSV file of all of your store's customer or filtered customers as a CSV file. CSV stands for comma separated values with .csv extension. Exported CSV file can be opened in a spreadsheet application like Excel, Google Sheet. You can download or export 9,000 customers at a time. If you have more than 9,000 customers, suppose you have 12,000 customers, then you can download 9,000 customers in a file and another export is for 3,000 customers. You can filter the option. If you export up to 50 customers, then the file is downloaded by your browser. If you export 51 or more customers, then CSV file is emailed to you. To export from your Shopify admin, go to Customers, click Export. There are 4 options. Current page to export the customers showing in your store admin, all customers to export to all, selected customer to export you have selected, current search to export a filter list to a customer. Here I am selecting current page, and for the export as keep it as it is now. Then download, export customer, save and open the file. You can edit this data and import again to update the customer data. Also, you can use this data to your another store. Now, I want to show you how to import customer using a CSV file. You need to import customer when you are switching to Shopify from another e-commerce platform, or if you want to move one domain or store. Shopify provides a template file that you can use it to add your customer list. We include the download link in the video description. Importing a CSV file will create a customer in your store for each email address. Any customer with duplicate email address or phone number will be skipped. Only the last record will be imported. Best approach to delete the duplicate image. To import, click the Import Customer, choose File, import. If you want to update any existing customer, then click Overwrite Existing. Then click Import Customer. You can use this import feature to bulk edit of your customers as well. Feel free to contact us at hashthemes.com if you have any question regarding Shopify and Shopify store setup. Thank you.